Hello, welcome to TechLink's Client Portal Training Series. Today we're going to be covering the calendar and dashboard features, editing your personal account in the portal, and also editing your company's account within the portal. So the first thing we're going to cover is what happens when you first log in. So when you first log in, this is the page that you're going to land on. It's very straightforward. It's a calendar of jobs that TechLink has scheduled for your company. Anytime you see a blue dot in the calendar, that means we have a particular job scheduled for your company for that day. In the upper right hand corner, so here for example, we're hovering over today, April 26th. So for April 26th, we have 4 work orders for this demo client. And these work orders will always be in order of start time, regardless of time zone. Another thing to note here from the calendar view is you can filter, so we can filter by work orders submitted by a particular account within your company. So if Jay Tabor only wanted to see work orders that he had submitted to TechLink, then he could filter by his name and it would only show work orders that Jay submitted. For the most part, people like to just land on all. So this is going to show all work orders regardless of who created the work order from your company for TechLink to handle for that particular day. And then the same thing with projects. So if we have certain projects that we're handling for you or work orders are sorted under a particular project, we can filter by just those particular work orders within that project and it will show only work orders that fall underneath that project for the particular month. Again, we'll go back to all. The other tab I want to mention here is what we call our dashboard tab. Any custom reports that you create, we'll get into how to create these custom reports in a later training, but any custom reports that you create and you indicate you want them to be on your dashboard, they will land up here on your dashboard tab. The nice thing is from this particular screen, you can move these reports around, you can size them, make them larger, make them smaller, to get them in whatever order you wish. But again, we'll have a separate training here in the future on how to create these reports and add them to your dashboard. The next thing I want to cover is editing your personal account. So if you want to change your password or change your email address or your phone number, you'll want to edit your personal account within the TechLink portal. So if you come up here and hover over your name in the upper right hand corner and select Edit Account, it's going to bring up your personal account within the TechLink portal. And again, you can change your email address, you can change your phone number, you can enter a new password here, you can change your photo if you wish. The other thing to note is send status notifications to this account. The TechLink portal will send an email notification when a work order is created, when a work order is scheduled, when a tech logs on, and when a tech logs off. So if you wish to receive those email notifications for work orders that you created or sites that you are monitoring, you would have this checked mark as yes. And if you do not wish to receive those email notifications, so if you want to just watch the portal or watch our mobile app for updates, you would simply deselect this box and click Submit. So that's how you make any changes that you wish to your personal account within the portal. Then the final thing I want to cover is editing your company details. So if we come here to company details, this is where you're going to input your company's main email address, the main phone number, the main address if you wish. If we come over to accounts tab, this is going to list out all of the accounts that we have created underneath your company within our portal. Customers, we do have the ability for your customers to have an account within our system, and it makes it very easy for them to log in and really see schedule of jobs that you have scheduled for them. It's a very watered down version. We'll have that in a separate training as well. But these would be all of the customer accounts and the logo that they would see when logging in. Then the last tab here, latest work orders tab, this is just simply going to list out all of the most recent work orders that TechLink has created for your company. All right, in review, we covered the main landing page when you come in, both the calendar tab and the dashboard tab. We also covered how to edit your personal account within the portal, in addition to editing your company details. Thank you.